So now what you're seeing is the spreadsheet from the student handout. We are now at step number 9. The previous video got you to doing all of these calculations down here. And then in steps 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, they ask you to type these labels in. So in other words, in H5, you have to type the label total, and I5, the label change, and then J5, percentage change. And now what we're going to do, we're moving on to step number 10. And by the way, step number 10, because we'll get a few decimal places, we're going to have to format for 2 decimal places. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start with each column here. We're just going to do one here, and then you will follow suit with the rest of the rows here. So we'll start with the word processor. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to calculate the totals from July to December. And again, that is the sum function. So again, precede by an equal sign. The function is sum, which means to add. Round bracket, and we're going to highlight that range of numbers across that first row for word processor. Closing bracket, enter. So there's our total for the first. And now we want the change, the percentage change from the point in July all the way to December. What is the percentage change between this date and this date here? So the first thing we're going to have to figure out is what that change is. So what's the difference between where we're at now in December and July? So let's figure out what that number is. So we're going to go with an equal sign. We're going to take the number from December, which is in this case 220, and that's in location G6, minus our number in July, which is in B6. Hit enter. And the change in this case is 80. Now, in other words, from July to December, there's a change of 80. And what is that as a percentage change? What is that as a percentage change? So we need a formula here to calculate the percentage change. So we already know what the change is. So what is this number as a percentage of the original number of 140? So what is the percentage change as a result of the difference between December and July? So here's what the formula would look like. We're going to go with equals that change, which is an I6, divided by the original number, which was way back in July, 140. So I6 divided by B6, which is 140, and then we want it as a percentage times 100. And hit the return key. So there's, you can see that there's quite a few decimal places, and to format that for 2 decimal places, you just click on that number, go to format on the top menu bar. There's also something in here. You can see that there's these buttons here that can also format for 2 decimal places. So we're going to format that cell, and we're going to format that number, and we just want how many decimal places? 2 there. You see it's showing 2. So I went to format, and then I choose this tab here, number, and we've got 2 decimal places, and go to OK, and you can see it is converted. So we have a 57.14 percentage change. And then you would do that for each row. So again, calculate the total, calculate the change, and then calculate the percentage change. Now, there's another way of doing the percentage change formula, but I just showed you a quicker way of doing that. So just follow the same method here. And if you forget the formulas, just click on that, and you can see that it's up here in the input line to show what the formulas are like. So go on and complete the totals for each of these columns, the change between July and December, and the percentage change.